How you doing, guys? Mr. Graphics right here. Mr. Graphics Raw with another tutorial. Another raw tutorial. And today I'm going to just edit a quick edit of one of my bird photography, wildlife photography images. So let's get right to it. First over right now, this is the original image right here. And as usual, guys, what you want to do is I'm going to start with a bit of exposure, contrast a little bit with the blacks, a bit of whites right here, shadows, bump up everything, put the highlights a little bit down, put too much highlights on me. Bit of vibrance to about here for now, and then put the amount of the detail all the way up, radius a bit down, bit too much radius, too much detail, put that down a bit. And then what you want to do is go all the way down to camera calibration, put the tints bit down, give it a bit of a greenish, more greenish look. Go to the greens, put that up a little bit. I should just better like that. Yeah. Saturation up a little bit. Check out the saturation on this. Bump the saturation up a little bit more. And then what you want to do is I'll try a few profiles right here. Faithful profile. Go for the portrait. Go back to landscape. Neutral. Yes, we'll go for the I'm gonna go for the faithful on this one. Put the vibrance up a bit more, tiny bit more. Go back to the blacks, bump up the blacks, open it up a little bit more. Whites, put up the whites a bit more, put up the shadows a bit more. That's it. Got the blacks now, a little bit more. Highlights down again. You pull it too high, too much highlights. I like to pull it down so I can see the water of the river a bit more, of the canal a bit more. And then try a different tint. Go over the greenish side, temperature. Keep it as it was really. Try a bit of dehaze after that. Bit of dehaze, a little tiny bit. I'm not going to put too much. And that's it, guys. That's pretty much it. Little quick edit right here. It's your boy Mr. Graphics. Let me see. Before and after. There you go right here, guys. Mr. Graphics right here. Raw tutorials. And have a quick edit with your boy Mr. Graphics. 3 to 5 minutes. Like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you later, guys. How you doing, guys? Mr. Graphics Raw Tutorials right here. Thank you again for watching my video. And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and of course hit the notification bell for all the latest. See you later.